Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get all future updates. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a store that I have set up on Amazon. This store has I have added the products of my taste and something that I have tried in the past. Let me just take you to the categories first. I have added something called pet needs and supplies. So here you will find only pet related products, and then this is the storage boxes where you will find the plastic boxes with compartments and more storage boxes. And the next category I have added is something called kitchen. Here I have added few products that I have ordered from Amazon very recently. So those are the products that you can see here, and then comes the skin and hair care products. Then there is crochet supplies and baking supplies. Let me take you to each of the categories one by one. Now under pet supplies, since most of you know I am a pet lover, I have a Shih Tzu at home who's like my baby. I hardly get time to go out and do the shopping in local stores. So most of the times I order them online. I'll tell you what all I have ordered here. I've ordered this comb here, this first one with the metal teeth, which is an amazing product because my pet is very hairy. So the vet advised to use this kind of a comb. This product here says it is a vacuum. I think I'm going to order this one because there is a lot of loose hair. Sometimes I see hair balls everywhere in the house. So this is one product that I came across very recently, and I think I will be ordering this product. In case I order, I will definitely review it on my other channel, so please subscribe to the other channel. The next product here is this brush, which again I am using whenever I wash him at home. And these are the other pet related products you might want to take a look at. I also have this water bottle for him and this crate as well. So very soon I will be ordering few more items like a bed. He needs a bed because the one I made is almost it's more than a year old now. So I'm going to buy a bed for him. So this is the first section related to pets, and then comes the storage boxes. I think in the previous video where I posted about kuchu making material, most of you ended up asking me where to buy these products. So here it is. It is just 265 rupees. The first one here. It has got small compartments, and it's very useful to save or store different types of beads. They don't get mixed up. I think it has small lids as well. I picked up mine from a local store, but since you guys were asking me, I kind of searched for these products and I have added them here. If you are looking for something with bigger compartments, here it is. This is the one with slightly bigger compartments, and this is a pack of 4 actually. Pack of 4 boxes. And yeah, something similar. This one, yes, I have ordered from Amazon. I have a set of 3 where I store all my daily use moisturizers and compact, all the hairbrush and everything related to my daily use. And next up is this kitchen. Yeah, I've ordered all these items from Amazon actually. I have this spice rack. I will make another video and I'll post it on the other channel. This knife is a must try. This was suggested by my cousin actually. They have been using it from quite some time and it works wonders. This is a ceramic knife and I feel you guys must try this. It comes with a peeler which is a ceramic peeler again. So this is how it is. So I have ordered one for myself. I am still waiting for it to be delivered. Once it is delivered, I will definitely review it. And then I have added a few skin and hair care products here. This one is my favorite, Lakme Iconic. And then this is what I use for my everyday makeup. Yeah, and Olay is the moisturizer I use. So most of these products are the ones that I use and I'm comfortable with. So this is not an expert advice when it comes to skin and hair. I'm really scared to share anything. That is why I have just shared these basic, something that you use on a day-to-day basis. This is the body wash and wooden comb. And yes, of course, this Maybelline baby lips is something I really can't live without. So that's about it in skin and hair care. And then comes the crochet supplies. Here I have added different types of yarns and crochet hooks. I generally pick up yarn in a local store because most of the times I hate waiting for the product to get delivered. And out of this, yes, I have ordered this set here, and this is an amazing set. It has 22 pieces actually. Yeah, this is a 22 piece set, and up to 6.5 mm hook is there in this one. Starting, I think I forgot what is the starting number. It's too tiny to read, but yes, half set is steel. No, I think it's aluminium crochet hooks. Yes, I'm sorry, it's not steel, it's aluminium. And I'm using these from a very long time now. It's been 2 to 3 years. It was quite expensive then. I think I paid more than 600 rupees that time to pick this set, and it comes with this beautiful pouch as well to save the needles. So this is one of my favorite product. Yeah, and there are few more hooks like this, bigger hooks, which is used to crochet if you're using some t-shirt yarn, or you're trying to crochet using an old sari or anything of that sort. Others are all different types of yarns and different colors. So you guys should definitely take a look. Last up here is baking supplies. Again, I think I've ordered most of these. I have these cake tins. I have this set of measuring cups, which is really essential if you are baking. And then I have these silicone cupcake molds, and then these cookie cutters, and this one for the chocolate mold. These are definitely very affordable. See, this thing is just for 189 rupees. It's a plastic spoon set. This is a must-have, if you're planning to start baking or anything of that sort. So yeah, as of now, these are the things I've added, and most of them are tried and tested. But again, do not take this as an expert advice. I'm not an expert. I'm just trying to share my opinion here. So yeah, I think that's about it in today's video. So please do visit this store on Amazon, and if you like something, definitely order them and review them as well. So yeah, don't forget to share our videos, subscribe to our channel. Also request you to subscribe to my other channel, which is called Naughty Vlogs. And yeah, I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.